Hey, my name's Hojung Kim. I'm an LSAT tutor who got a 177 on the LSAT, and I'm going to show you how to Venn diagram all, none, some type questions on the LSAT. So this is practice test 111, section 1, Q22. It's a logical reasoning question. No chordates are tracheophytes, and all members of Pteropsida are tracheophytes. So no members of Pteropsida belong to the family Hominidae. It's asking us to make a sufficient assumption. The conclusion above follows logically if which one of the following is assumed. Okay, so let's break this down premise by premise and show how we get to our target conclusion using Venn diagramming. So first we start with the first premise. No chordates are tracheophytes. So we have these two independent sets that are fully separate, chordates and tracheophytes. And then next, all members of Pteropsida are tracheophytes. So the set of Pteropsida is fully contained inside of the set of tracheophytes. Now we need to find this target conclusion and how to get there. So no members of Pteropsida belong to the family Hominidae. Or in other words, where on this Venn diagram can we draw the circle set for Hominidae such that it does not overlap at all with Pteropsida? Okay, so let's look at each answer choice. Answer choice A, all members of the family Hominidae are tracheophytes. This could put this set in overlap with Pteropsida, which would not guarantee our conclusion. Answer choice B, where all members of the family Hominidae are chordates, which means that Hominidae are fully contained in this separate set from tracheophytes, would fully separate it from Pteropsida, allowing our target conclusion to follow. C, all tracheophytes are members of Pteropsida would just mean that tracheophytes and Pteropsida are the same set, but it tells us nothing about where Hominidae lie. No members of the family Hominidae are chordates. D, this would just put Hominidae somewhere outside of chordates, but again, it could overlap still with Pteropsida. And finally, E, no chordates are members of Pteropsida, which means that, again, this is already covered by the premises that we have, and it doesn't tell us where Hominidae lie. That's how to diagram all, none, some type LSAT questions, and I'll be uploading a lot more videos on how to diagram and visualize other types of questions, so stay tuned.